AMD's Radeon RX 7600 is a compact graphics card that comes in a standard dual-slot design with two cooling fans. It features a no-frills exterior with zero RGB lighting and a black shroud. The RX 7600 MBA, as short as it looks, comes with a matching backplate. The graphics card's dimensions remain a mystery, but it's shorter than 21 centimeters. It's not mini ITX caliber, but it's very close. Your typical mini ITX graphics card is around 17 centimeters long. Nonetheless, the Radeon RX 7600 MBA will easily fit nicely into small form factor (SFF) systems.